Meaning of break. Break is both a verb, to separate into pieces, stop functioning, or pause, and a noun, a short rest or interruption. 10 daily use example sentences. As a verb. 1. Be careful not to break the glass. 2. He broke his leg while playing football. 3. Don't break the rules. 4. My phone screen broke yesterday. 5. Let's break the silence and talk. As a noun. 6. Let's take a short break. 7. I need a break from work. 8. They went for a lunch break. 9. She finally got her big break in acting. Equals big opportunity. 10. We'll resume after the break.